If you're new to LightBurn, when you first open it up, it can feel overwhelming. There are a lot of tools, and it's not always clear what each one does or when you should use it. The main design toolbar on the left side is where we'll begin today. While it's actually made up of two distinct toolbars, the Creation Toolbar and the Modifier Toolbar, we're going to focus strictly on the Creation Toolbar in today's video. This is where all your design work begins. The goal today isn't to master every setting for each of these, but to give you a high-level look at how the tools work together so that you can build the confidence to start creating your own projects. We'll be doing deep dive tutorials on each of these tools in the future, but for now, I'm just going to get you familiar with the layout. One quick tip before we start. If you ever forget what a tool does, just hover your mouse over it for a second. A tooltip will pop up with a brief description, and if you need more detail, pressing F1 while hovering will take you directly to any official documentation on the LightBurn website.